Natural ways to keep your home dust-free and spotless. Reclaim your spare time with herbal magic. Let's be honest, cleaning is the worst. Who wants to spend their precious spare time scrubbing, dusting, and chasing grime when there's Netflix to binge, tea to sip, or a nap calling your name? Not me, and I'm guessing not you either. But here's the good news: you don't have to drown in dust bunnies or toxic sprays to keep your home clean, fresh, and free of impurities. Nature's got your back with simple, herbal solutions that cut dirt, purify the air, and minimize the time you spend with a rag in hand. Say goodbye to endless chores and hello to a naturally spotless home. Here's how to use plants, herbs, and a few clever tricks to keep things clean without the chemicals or the hassle, so you can take your spare time back and enjoy life instead of battling grime. 1. Dust-proof with plants. Let nature do the heavy lifting. Dust is the ultimate frenemy, sneaky, persistent, and somehow everywhere. But before you grab that feather duster for the millionth time, consider this. Houseplants are like tiny, green cleaning machines. They don't just look pretty, they trap dust, filter impurities from the air, and even boost humidity to keep particles from floating around. Try peace lilies, spider plants, or aloe vera. They are low maintenance and pros at snagging dust before it settles on your shelves. For an herbal twist, add a pot of lavender or rosemary near sunny spots. Their leaves grab dust while releasing a subtle, fresh scent. Water them weekly, wipe their leaves with a damp cloth now and then, and boom, less dusting for you. Who knew your decor could double as a dirt-busting sidekick? 2. Herbal air purifiers. Freshen up without the fumes. Air fresheners and candles might smell nice, but they are often packed with synthetic fragrances and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that pollute your indoor air more than they clean it. Why trade dust for toxins? Instead, harness the power of herbs to keep your home's air pure and crisp naturally. Advertisement. Simmer a pot of water with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and a sprig of rosemary for a warm, inviting scent that cuts through stale air. Or make a DIY spray. Steep dried lavender or mint in water, strain it, and mix with a splash of witch hazel. Spritz it around to neutralize odors and trap airborne dust. Bonus: these herbal hacks don't just mask smells, they fight bacteria and leave your home feeling alive, not like a chemical lab. Less grime in the air means less grime on your stuff. Win-win. 3. Clean smarter with herbal all-purpose magic. Scrubbing every surface with a dozen different cleaners is a time suck, and most of those bottles are loaded with bleach, ammonia, or artificial scents that irritate your lungs and skin. Let's simplify. One natural, herbal cleaner can tackle it all, cutting dirt and grime without the drama. Mix up this magic potion. 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, a handful of fresh thyme or sage, or 10 drops of their essential oils, and a peel from a lemon or orange. Let it sit for a day, strain, and pour into a spray bottle. The vinegar dissolves grease, the citrus lifts stains, and the herbs add antibacterial oomph, perfect for counters, sinks, and even glass. Wipe down surfaces in half the time, and skip the toxic residue. Cleaning's still not fun, but at least it's fast and smells like a garden. 4. Minimize dirt at the door. Stop grime in its tracks. The less dirt you let in, the less you have to clean. Genius, right? Most of the dust and grime in your home hitchhikes on shoes, pets, or breezes through open windows. Set up a natural defense system to keep impurities out and save yourself hours of sweeping. Start with a sturdy doormat. Bonus points if it's coir, coconut fiber, which scrapes dirt like a champ. Sprinkle it with dried peppermint or eucalyptus leaves. Their scent repels bugs and keeps things fresh as you stomp off muck. Inside, stash a basket of slippers or socks infused with a drop of lavender oil. Cozy and clean vibes only. For windows, hang lightweight curtains and mist them with that herbal spray from tip number 2 to catch dust before it spreads. Less mess tracked in means more time for you. 5. Herbal polish for a spotless shine, minus the elbow grease. Polishing furniture or floors can feel like a workout you didn't sign up for, especially when dust settles right back the next day. Conventional polishes often leave a sticky film that attracts more grime. Switch to a natural, herbal fix that shines surfaces and keeps dirt at bay longer. Whip up this easy polish. Mix a quarter cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and 5 drops of lemon or tea tree essential oil. Dab it on a cloth and buff your wood tables, chairs, or floors. The oil nourishes and protects, the vinegar cuts through gunk, and the herbs repel dust with their natural oils. Tea tree even fights mold. Your home stays spotless with less effort, and you're not huffing fumes while you're at it. More shine, less grind. Now that's my kind of cleaning. Bonus tips to slash cleaning time even more. Vacuum with purpose. Add a drop of eucalyptus oil to your vacuum bag or filter. It spreads a clean scent and knocks out dust mites while you roll. Declutter naturally. Use wooden or bamboo storage bins, not plastic, and tuck dried sage bundles inside to keep moths and mustiness away. Quick wipe trick. Keep a stash of microfiber cloths spritzed with your herbal spray handy. Swipe surfaces daily for 5 minutes to stay ahead of dust. Why it works. Nature's cleaning crew. These herbal methods aren't just about avoiding chemicals, they're about working with nature to make your life easier. Plants and herbs like lavender, thyme, and mint have been cleaning champs for centuries, packed with compounds that fight bacteria, repel pests, and cut through grime. They don't leave behind synthetic junk that builds up over time, they leave your home naturally clean and your air pure. Plus, they are cheap, easy to source, grow your own or hit a farmer's market, and smell way better than bleach. And the time-saving part? By tackling dirt at the source, air, entryways, surfaces, you're not stuck in an endless cleaning loop. You're preventing the mess before it happens, so you can kick back with a cup of herbal tea instead of a mop. The bottom line. Cleaning doesn't have to be a soul-crushing chore or a toxic one. With a few natural tricks up your sleeve, you can keep your home dust-free, spotless, and fresh without wasting hours or inhaling fumes. Plants purify your air, herbal sprays banish grime, and smart habits stop dirt before it starts, all while giving you back that sweet, sweet spare time. Who likes to clean? Not me, and now, not you either. So, ditch the store-bought sprays and let nature take the wheel. Your home will sparkle, your lungs will thank you, and you'll have more hours to do what you actually love, because life's too short for scrubbing, right?